Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at something that proves good things really do come in small packages. If you are living in a cramped apartment, heading off to a dorm, or spending time in an RV, you know that kitchen space is at an absolute premium. The CIARRA CATIH1A-P portable induction cooktop in this vibrant pink finish is designed to solve your cooking needs without taking over your entire counter. Let us start with the performance. The primary benefit of induction technology is efficiency. This unit heats up incredibly fast because it uses electromagnetism to heat your pan directly, rather than heating the surface of the cooktop first. It is perfect for those quick weeknight meals or for cooking for 1 to 3 people. I was impressed by how responsive the temperature control feels. You get 8 different power levels, which gives you the flexibility to go from a gentle simmer for delicate sauces to a high-heat sear for your proteins. It also features a 240-minute timer. This is a game changer for slow cooking or simply ensuring you do not burn your water while waiting for it to boil. Now, let us talk about the design. This unit measures about 12 inches square and is only 3 inches tall. It is sleek, it is slim, and frankly, the pink color adds a great pop of personality to any kitchen setup. It uses a ceramic glass surface, which is not only durable but also incredibly easy to clean. Since the glass itself does not get nearly as hot as a traditional electric coil burner, spills do not bake on. You can usually just wipe it down with a damp cloth once it cools off. Safety is another area where this cooktop shines. CIARRA has packed in a comprehensive set of features including pan detection, which means the unit will not start unless the right cookware is placed on it. It also has auto shut-off, overheat protection, and a child safety lock to prevent any accidental adjustments while you are cooking. When it comes to the pros, the biggest win is the footprint. It is incredibly portable and stores away easily in a drawer or cabinet. The induction technology is much faster than traditional electric burners and safer than gas because there is no open flame. On the downside, remember that you must use induction-ready cookware. If your pots and pans are not magnetic, they simply will not work with this unit. It is also a single burner, so this is meant for supplemental cooking or small households rather than preparing a massive 3-course feast for a large family. Overall, if you are looking for a compact, efficient, and stylish solution for your small kitchen space, this CIARRA induction cooktop is a fantastic choice. It balances performance, safety, and aesthetics in a way that very few portable burners manage to do. It is practical, it is fast, and it is honestly quite fun to use. Link in the description.